as a client of OPPO when there's something wrong with my phone. OPPO Customer Service Center can always help me. The environment here is very comfortable and quiet, so I can do my job at ease.
This is our OPPO exclusive mobile phone spare parts warehouse. All spare parts are directly delivered and supplemented by the official factory on point-to-point. In order to provide clients with better services, we continue to improve our professionalism. We ensure the information security of clients, allowing our clients to save time and feel relief. Provide fast repair service with high quality.
Go to the nearby OPPO Customer Service Center and get more surprises.
1 hour flash fix OPPO Speedy Repair Service.